You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase in French. How do you talk about the Olympics, the Olympic Games in French? If you want to learn how to say Olympic Games in French, stay tuned. So this is pronounced as Paris, not Paris. 2024. 2000, which is 2000. 24, 24. 2024. Paris, 2024. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.